Okay, hello everyone. Good afternoon. Am I audible? Hello student. Good morning. Good afternoon. Am I audible? Okay. Good afternoon to all. Okay. So let's start the lecture. In the yesterday's session, we had discussed about lower bound, greatest lower bound, uh, upper bound, and the least upper bound. Okay. So this both the definition we have discussed, and then after we discuss this example, how we can check the upper bound, lower bound for any data, okay, as per the relation. And now today we'll discuss next topic of this unit, that is called lattice as a poset. So there is one condition is that to check lattice as a poset, okay, given poset is lattice as a poset or not, okay. So ARB the poset is called lattice as a poset, okay. AR is the poset, means it satisfies the reflexive, antisymmetric and transitive condition with the relation R. Okay. So if GLB of AB, okay, greatest lower bound of AB and LUB of AB, okay, for any two element of A, GLB of AB and LUB of AB, if it is a part of A again, okay, means answer of GLB, here AB belongs to A, okay, answer of GLB of AB and LUB of AB, that should be belongs to the A again. Okay, the answer of GLB and LUB, that should be the part of A again. Then we can say that AR is called lattice as a poset. Okay, so AR is a poset for all AB belongs to A, GLB of AB belongs to A, and LUB of AB belongs to A. Okay, that is meaning of this one. So we have different type of relation is that. Okay, we have different type of relation is there. So as per the relations, we will define GLB and LUB differently, okay, by using a different mathematical phenomena. So here AR is a poset for element AB belongs to A, will denote GLB, okay, by using the star operator. GLB of AB, that is known as A star B, and LUB of AB, that is called A ring sum B. Okay, ring sum means LUB and star means GLB. Okay, so we have different type of standard relation is there. One is a divide relation. Okay, so when it is involved the divide relation, okay, for any set A, for example n comma d, okay, z comma d, s30 comma d, and so on, and you have to check the GLB and LUB for all these elements. So how we can define the greatest lower bound and least upper bound? So for divide relations, we'll consider GLB as a GCD of AB and LUB as a LCM of AB. Okay. For GCD, for GLB, we use the GCD mathematical form, greatest common divisor, and for LUB, we'll define the least common multiple. Okay, the LCM of these two elements. So that is for a divide relation. Then after for less than or equal to relation, how we can check greatest lower bound and least upper bound? So GLB of AB, that is equal to the minimum of AB, okay, and LUB of AB, that is equal to the maximum of AB. Clear? That is for less than or equal to relation. And for subset relations, we'll consider GLB of AB by using the A intersection B and LUB of AB by taking the A union B. Okay. For divide, we'll consider GCD and LCM. For less than or equal to, we'll use the minimum maximum, and for a subset we'll use the intersection union, okay, to check lattice is a poset or not. So let us check this example. It is lattice is a poset or not. Okay, so which type of relation is there? A divide relation is there. Okay, so how we can check GLB? That is by taking the GCD of these two elements. Okay, and how we can check the LUB? By taking the LCM of the two number. Okay, LCM of the A and B. So first we'll prove the lattice is a poset or not, means it is poset or not, and it's very easy to check the poset. Clear? Just check reflexive, antisymmetric, and transitive. And this type of example we had completed. So first you have to prove the lattice is a poset, clear? And then after check it is lattice is a poset or not. Okay, पहले आपको poset prove करना है, ठीक है? The three condition: reflexive, antisymmetric, and the transitive. Okay, and it's very easy to prove it. And then after check lattice is a poset or not. Okay, so for that we'll consider GLB of AB, that is equal to GCD of AB, and LUB of AB, that is equal to LCM of AB, and both value, both answers should be the part of S30 again. So S30 is here 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. These are the divisor of 30. Okay, the collection of divisor of 30. So 1, 15, 30. And now this all pair we have. Okay, we have to consider the combination between all this possibility, all the AB. Okay, 1 with 2, 1 with 3, 1 with 5, 5 with 6. Okay, 1 with 10, 15, 30. Then after 2 with remaining all, 3 with remaining all, 5 with remaining all, and so on. Okay, so how many possibility will be there? How many digits are in the S30? The 8 digit are that. Okay, 8 values. So it will be the 8 by 8 means a 64 value will be defined. The 64 pairs you can create. Okay, you can define. So how we can manage all this answer? So for this we will prepare this type of table. Okay, in this we'll consider the row value as a S30 value. That is our row value 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. And consider here column, that is a 1, 2, 3, 5, 16 and 30. Okay, 10, 15, 30. 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Clear? And here we'll check the GCD of this pair. Clear? So GCD means greatest common divisor. Okay? So 1 with 1, this element is the answer of 1 with 1. Okay, A is 1, B is 1. This answer is the answer of 1 with 2. A is 1, B is a 2. Okay, then after 1 with 3, 1 को फिक्स रखना है और उसकी पेयर बाकी सबके साथ डिफाइन करनी है. ठीक है, 1 with 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. तो GCD of 1 with remaining all का GCD क्या होता है? ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर. फॉर एग्जांपल 1 और 5 का GCD क्या होगा? फैक्टर ऑफ 1 दैट इज 1 into 1 एंड फैक्टर ऑफ 5 दैट इज 1 into 5. सो उसमें ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर क्या है? दैट इज 1 itself. ठीक है, सो आंसर इज 1 एंड रिमेनिंग ऑल इट विल बी 1. क्लियर? सो दिस इज आंसर ऑफ 1 विथ रिमेनिंग ऑल. नाउ जस्ट put this value, okay, in the first column. That is answer of first row here. Now repeat this value. Okay, repeat this answer in the first column also. Clear? Repeat this all the values as a first column also. Clear? So automatically the column also will be defined. Clear? Because it is a 2 with 1, 2 with 2, 2 with 3, 5 with 1, 6, 10 and 15 with 1. Okay, so that will be also same. Now 2 with remaining all. Second value 2. 2 with remaining all. So 2 with 1 is already derived. 2 with 2. GCD of 2 on 2. That is a 2. 2 and 3 का GCD क्या होता है? 2 and 3. Common divisor. That is a 2 into 1, 3 into 1. So common divisor 1 हुआ. So answer is a 1. Okay. 2 with 5. That is also 1. 2 with 6. 2 is the common factor. So answer is a 2. 2 with 10. Answer is a 2. 2 with 15. 2 और 15 में कुछ भी common नहीं है except the 1. So answer is a 1. And 2 with 30. 2 is a common there. So answer is a 2. Okay. And repeat this row value in the second column also. ठीक है, ये जो 1 1 2 2 1 2 है इसको आपको यहाँ पे फिर से रिपीट करनी है. It will be same again. Clear? 1 1 2 2 1 2. Clear in the second column. Now check the third row. 3 with remaining all. So 3 with 3 answer is a 3. 3 with 5 answer is a 1. 3 with 6 answer is a 3. 3 with 10 answer is a 1. 3 with 15 answer is a 3. And 3 with 30 answer is a 3. Clear the GCD. And repeat this 1 3 1 3 3 in this column also. Third column 1 3 1 3 3. Okay. Then after fourth row 5 with 5 answer is a 5. 5 with 6 answer is a 1. 5 with 10 answer is a 5. 5 15 answer is a 5. 5 30 answer is a 5. ठीक है. Maximum divisor क्या होगा? Greatest divisor 5. Okay. And repeat this value of the fourth row in this fourth column also. 1 5 5 5. Okay. Here it is this. And then after 6 with remaining all. 6 with 6 answer is 6. 6 10 answer is a 2. 6 15 answer is 3. 6 30 answer is 6. Clear? So 2 3 6. Write down in this column also. 2 3 6. And 10 with remaining all. 10 with 10 answer is a 10. 10 with 5 answer 15 answer is a 5. 10 with 30 answer is a 10. Correct? And repeat the 10 5 10 in the column also. Clear? And 15 with 15 answer is 15. 15 with 30 answer is 15 15 and here it is a 30 itself. Clear? So आपको क्या चेक करना है? आपको चेक करना है कि GCD का आंसर, GCD of any pair that should be the part of S30 again. जो आंसर आपको मिलता है अगेन S30 में से कोई वैल्यू होनी चाहिए. ठीक है? So check the each value of this box. ठीक है? ये सभी वैल्यू आप चेक करो. So there is no such value we have in this box. It is not of S30. ठीक है? सभी आंसर जो है, जो भी आंसर है it is a part of S30 again. Okay, so we can say that a GCD of AB that belongs to the S30 again. Okay, so one condition is verified. Now check the second condition, and here we check the LUB of number, LUB of AB, and for LUB of AB we'll consider LCM of the AB. Okay, so for this we'll prepare the second table of this type, clear, which include all such pair. So consider the row as a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30, and consider as a column also, clear, and make it pair, 1 with remaining all, 2 with remaining all, 3 with remaining all, 5, 6, 10, 15, 13 and so on. तो आपको प्रिडिक्ट करना है एलसीएम, ठीक है, लिस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. सो 2 1 और 1 का एलसीएम क्या होता है 1 1 एंड 2 का एलसीएम क्या होता है 1 into 1 and 1 into 2. These are the factor of 1 and 2. So list को मल्टीपल क्या होगा 1 into 2. Okay, so that is equal to 2. So repeated है वो एक ही बार लेना है, ठीक है, बाकी सबका प्रोडक्ट करना है. 1 with 3 answer is 3, 1 with 5 answer is a 5, 1 with 6 answer is 6, 10, 15, 30, and repeat this row value, okay, row answer, first row answer as a first column, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Okay, so answer of column automatically will be defined. Now 2 with remaining all, so 2 with 2, LCM is a 2, 2 और 3 का LCM क्या होता है 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 with 5 answer is a 10, 2 with 6 answer is a 6, 2 with 10 answer is a 10, 2 with 15 answer will be 30, and 2 with 30 answer will be 30. ठीक है, the LCM, list common multiple, and repeat this answer 6 10 6 10 30 30 in this column also, 6 10 6 10 30 30. Okay, 3 with remaining all, 3 with 3, 3 with 5 15, 3 with 6 6, 10 is 30, 3 with 15 is 15 30, and repeat this answer in the column also, 15 6 30 50 30. Okay, 5 with 5 answer is a 5, 5 with 6 answer is a 30, 5 with 10 answer is a 10, it is 15 and it is 30. Okay, and it will be 30 10 15 30. 6 with 6 answer is a 6, 30 30 and 30, here it is also 10. Clear? 10 with 10 answer is a 10, 10 with 15 answer is 30 30, it is also 7. Clear? 15 with 30 and 30 with 30. Clear? So now check this answer of each box. It should be the part of S30 again. ठीक है, जो भी आंसर है तो S30 में से कोई वैल्यू होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, so there is no such value we have in any box which is not a part of S30. Okay, so clearly it is belongs to the S30 there. So we can say that LCM is also belongs to S30. LCM of AB of any value of AB belongs to S30. That is also the part of S30. Okay, so condition is verified. Okay, GLB of AB and LUB of AB, that should be belongs to the set again. Okay, so therefore we can say that S30 comma D is a lattice as a poset. और poset तो है ही, but it is lattice as a poset भी है. Okay, so in the above both the table, all element are from S30. So that for all AB belongs to S30, GLB of AB is GCD of AB and LUB of AB, that is LCM of AB, that is belongs to S30 again. Okay, so that is a solution of first example, and we can say that S30 comma D is a lattice as a poset. Okay, that is a solution of first example. Is it clear to all? Is it clear? The answer of first example. Am I audible? Is it clear? Okay, Rutvi, Man, Alay, Amod, Ankit. Okay, good. So in the next example, data is different. We have less than or equal to relation is there. Okay, so in less than or equal to relation, which conditions will define as LUB and GLB? For LUB, we will consider minimum, and for GLB, we consider maximum. Okay, so here we prove poset. That's very easy. And then after we will check for GLB of AB, that is equal to minimum of AB, and LUB of AB, that is equal to maximum of AB. Okay, so here it's easy to verify that. Okay, the condition. Okay, minimum and maximum. So when we consider any two number from the n, ठीक है, कोई भी दो नंबर आप n में से चूज करो, what is the conditions for these two number? For example, I choose the 2 and 5 from the natural number, so it satisfies the 2 less than or equal to 5, ठीक है, it will satisfy the 2 less than or equal to 5 condition, clear? And if I consider 3 and 1 from the n, ठीक है, so it will satisfy 3 greater than equal to 1 condition, clear? 3 greater than equal to 1 condition. तो कोई भी दो नंबर आप n में से चूज करो, either it will be the a less than or equal to b, otherwise b less than or equal to a. Is it clear? ठीक है, so as per that, as per the first condition, suppose कि ये condition verified हो रही है, ठीक है, it is the valid, means it is a true form for these two value, a less than or equal to b. So what is the minimum of ab? आपके पास है a less than or equal to b केस, तो इसमें मिनिमम क्या होगा? Minimum of ab is equal to a, ठीक है, and answer is a and a is belongs to n, ठीक है, जो आंसर है फिर भी n में से ही कवर होगा, ठीक है. And what is the maximum of ab? a less than or equal to b में मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कौन सी होगी? That is a b, and b is also belongs to n, clear? That is for a less than or equal to b case. इससे उल्टा है, सपोज के if we have a b less than or equal to a case, ठीक है, तो मिनिमम ऑफ ab क्या होगा? That is equal to b, and maximum of ab क्या होगा? That is equal to a, and ab are the part of n again, ठीक है. तो वेरीफाई हो गया कि LUB of AB means minimum of AB and GLB of AB means maximum of AB, ठीक है. LUB means maximum and GLB means minimum, that again a part of n, ठीक है. Answer are again belongs to the natural number, and therefore we can say that in the both the case GLB of AB is equal to minimum of AB and LUB of AB is equal to maximum of AB, that is belongs to n, ठीक है. And therefore we can say that n less than or equal to is lattice as a poset. Is it clear the reason for lattice as a poset? ठीक है. In this first example we have divide relation, therefore we are checking the minimum GCD and LCM case, ठीक है. But here it is a less than or equal to relation, so in this case we just check the which number is minimum and which number is maximum, ठीक है. So is it clear the solution of this example? समझ में आया रीजन? Abhishek, is it clear? Alay, Amod. Okay. Okay, so it is a second type where less than or equal to is relation. Now in third case we have subset is relation that, okay, P of a subset. इसको कैसे आप प्रूव करोगे? lattice is a poset. So first we'll check the P of a. It will be 5, singleton 2, then after 4, then after 6, okay, then after 2, 4, 4, 6, 2, 6, and the A itself. This will be your P of a. So to check the GLB of AB, okay, AB means P of A. GLB of AB, we'll check the A intersection B, okay, and LUB of AB. We'll consider here A union B, clear? Where AB belongs to the P of A. AB belongs to the P of A. तो आपको ऐसा एक टेबल प्रिपेयर करना है फॉर A intersection B. Write down the whole value here: 5, singleton 2, 4, then after 6, 2, 4, okay, 4, 6, 2, 6, and the A itself. Clear? Here it is a A. And here write the same value: 5, singleton 2, here it is a 4, it is a 6, 2, 4, 4, 6, 2, 6, and the A itself. Okay? And just use the intersection of this pair, okay, intersection of this AB. So 5 intersection 5 क्या होता है? That is a 5 itself. 5 intersection 2, that will be the 5. 5 intersection 4, that is also 5. That is 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. Okay, intersection लेना है. And repeat this answer in the first column also. ठीक है. Now 2 with 2, what is the intersection of 2 with 2? That is singleton 2 here. 2 with 4, it is a 5. 2 with 6, it is a 5. 2 with 2, 4. Answer is singleton 2. That is a 5 here. That is singleton 2. And here it is a 2 itself. Clear? That is intersection of 2 with remaining all. Now singleton 4 with remaining all. And repeat this answer here. That is a 5, 5. That is a 2, 5, 2, and the 2. Clear? And now 4 with remaining all. So 4 with 4, intersection is 4. 4 with 6, it is a 5. 4 with 2, 4, it is singleton 4. 4 with 4, 6, it is singleton 4. Okay. Here it is a 5 and it is a singleton 4. Clear? And write down this answer here. It is a 5, 4. Here it is also 4. It is a 5 and it is a 4 there. Clear? And then after 6 with remaining all. So 6 with 6, intersection is 6. 6 with 2, 4, it is a 5. 6 with 4, 6, it is a singleton 6. Here it is also singleton 6. Okay. And it is the singleton 6 there. Clear? And repeat the answer here. 5, singleton 6. It is also 6 and it is also 6. Clear? Now 2, 4 with 2, 4. Here it will be 2, 4. Okay. 2, 4 with 4, 6 में कॉमन क्या है? 4 कॉमन है. So right here 4. 2, 4 और 2, 6 में कॉमन क्या है? सिंगलटन 2. 2, 4 और A में कॉमन क्या है? That is a 2, 4. ठीक है. And write down this answer here 4. Here it is a 2 and it is a 2, 4. Clear? Now 4, 6 with 4, 6. That is a 4, 6 here. 4, 6 और 2, 6 में कॉमन क्या है? That is a 4. Here it is a 4, 6. Clear? It is 4 and the 4, 6. And 2, 6 with 2, 6. That is a 2, 6 here. Here it is also 2, 6. That is a 2, 6 here and 8. Clear? Now check the answer of each value. That is a part of P of A again. ठीक है? That is a part of P of A again. ठीक है? आप सभी आंसर चेक कर लो. That is a part of P of A there. Clear? So we can say that GLB of AB, that is A intersection B, that is a part of P of A. Clear? अब ऐसा ही टेबल आपको किस लिए प्रिपेयर करना है? For A union B. ठीक है? आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है? यूनियन डिफाइन करना है. Union of the two set. ठीक है? And check the each answer that also will be the part of P of A again. ठीक है? ऐसे आपको दूसरा टेबल प्रिपेयर करना है. That will be the part of P of A there. And therefore after that we can say that the P of A subset, it is the lattice is a poset. Okay? Is it clear the solution of this example? आपको अब क्या करना है? You just check the A union B solution. Okay? Prepare the table for A union B case. That is for A intersection B. Clear? Is it clear the solution? Okay, and then after next, that is N comma D form. Clear? So हमने फर्स्ट एग्जाम सोल्व किया था S30 comma D. ऐसे आपको N comma D सोल्व करना है. That is for practice. Clear? There is also S24 comma D is a lattice is a poset. No, it is same as S30 comma D. Okay, same meanings. And now we'll discuss the properties of the lattices. So is it clear the concept of lattice as a poset? Have you any query, any doubt in any example? Alay, Amod, Jill, Parthiv. Am I audible? Okay, no doubt. Good. So next is lattices, properties of the lattices. First property is idempotent law. AR be the poset. Then how we can define idempotent law? A star A is equal to A. A ring sum A is equal to A. Okay? Star means GLB and ring sum means LU. Commutative, A star B is a B star A ring sum B is a B ring sum A. Okay. Associative, A star B star C, that is same as A star B star C. A ring sum B ring sum C, that is A ring sum B ring sum C. Okay. And fourth is just absorption's law, that is A star A ring sum B is equal to A, and A ring sum A star B is equal to the A. Clear? That is the 4 properties of the lattices, and we'll use it to check lattice definition. Okay. So definition of lattice is L be non-empty set. Okay. Now we consider L notations for the lattices for the set. So L be non-empty set and star and ring sum are two binary operations defined on L, and L star ring sum. L star ring sum is called the lattice as an algebraic. Okay. The definition of lattice as an algebraic system. So lattice is algebraic if L satisfy the following property. So first property is the commutative, second is associative, and third is a absorption property. Okay. In commutative, we just check A star B, that should be the same as a B star A. A ring sum B, that should be the B ring sum A. Associative आपको चेक करना है A star B bracket star C is equal to A star bracket B star C, and same for the ring sum. In absorption, we just check A star A ring sum B, that equal to A, and A ring sum A star B, that is equal to A. Okay. If this three condition is verified, then we can say that L star ring sum. Okay, the star and ring sum may be different one. Okay, L star ring sum is called the lattice as an algebraic system. Okay, so let us use it in this first example. We check whether the n minimum maximum is a lattice as algebraic or not. Okay, is a lattice or not. So if it is involved the three formation L star ring sum, so it will check the algebraic property. Okay, if it is involved the two form L n d, okay, S24D, Sn less than or equal to. In this case, we just check lattice as a poset or not. Okay, here we check lattice as algebraic system. So check n minimum maximum is lattice or not. Okay, so L star ring sum, L is n, star is a minimum, and ring sum is maximum. So let us first define this form here. Okay, for any two element A, B belongs to n, A star B means minimum of AB. Okay, and A ring sum B means maximum of AB. Okay, we'll use this condition to prove it. So first is a commutative property आपको prove करनी है. So in commutative, A star B that is equal to minimum of AB. तो कोई भी दो वैल्यू आपके पास है, for example minimum of 1 2 is same as a minimum of 2 1. ठीक है, आंसर तो सेम ही आएगा. So that is same as a minimum of BA, and that is equal to B star. ठीक है, and same for ring sum. A ring sum B is equal to maximum of AB, and maximum of AB is same as the maximum of BA, and that is a B ring sum. ठीक है, first property is true. Now second one, associative property. So in associative property, first case we have A star B star C. ठीक है, so it define is here. First bracket को simplify करना है, तो bracket क्या है A star B, so it is right minimum of AB star C. ठीक है, and now just check the outside. So star remove करो, so it will be right minimum of AB comma C. ठीक है, and that is same as a minimum of ABC. Clear? That is obvious result. Clear? For any three different values. And that is second part of this side, that is A star B star C. Okay? So let us prove both are same or not. So A star B star C. A star, first remove the bracket. So it is minimum of BC. Now remove this star. So it is minimum of A comma minimum of BC. And now combine it. That is equal to minimum of ABC. ये कोई भी तीन वैल्यू लेके आप इसको वेरीफाई कर सकते हो. ठीक है, एंड दैट विल बी ऑलवेज सेम. सो दोनों इक्वल है. सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? A star B star C is equal to the A star B star C. Clear? That is the same now. A star B star C. So first property is verified. Now second one में आपको यूज करना है ring sum. So A ring sum B ring sum C. Remove the bracket, so it will be right maximum of AB ring sum C. Now remove this ring sum, so it is right maximum of AB comma C, and that is same as the maximum of ABC. Clear? And second part is the A ring sum B ring sum C, that is equal to A ring sum B, A ring sum maximum BC, and that is maximum of A comma maximum BC, and that is maximum of ABC. Clear? That will be same. So both are equal there. So second property also verified. Okay, the associative property. And now for absorption property, we have less than minimum maximum condition is there. Okay, so there is a two part. Okay, for any two value belongs to n, either it is A less than or equal to B, otherwise it will be the B less than or equal to A condition. ठीक है, तो दोनों के लिए हम प्रूव करेंगे. फर्स्ट विल चेक फॉर ए लेस देन और इक्वल टू बी, ठीक है, फॉर ए लेस देन और इक्वल टू बी। सो मिनिमम ऑफ ए बी क्या होगा, दैट इज ए, और मैक्सिमम ऑफ ए बी क्या होगा, दैट इज बी, ठीक है। नाउ राइट द कंडीशन ए स्टार ए रिंग सम बी। तो पहले रिंग सम रिमूव करो, सो इट इज राइट ए स्टार मैक्सिमम ऑफ ए बी। मैक्सिमम ऑफ ए बी का आंसर हमारे पास क्या है, दैट इज इक्वल टू बी, सो पुट इट हियर ए स्टार बी, ओके। एंड ए स्टार बी इज इक्वल टू क्या लिखेंगे हम, दैट इज मिनिमम ऑफ ए बी, एंड मिनिमम ऑफ ए बी क्या है, दैट इज इक्वल टू ए। तो प्रूव हो गया ए स्टार ए रिंग सम बी, दैट शुड बी द ए अगेन। क्लियर, अगेन आई रिपीट दैट, ए रिंग सम बी को पहले रिमूव करो, सो इट इज राइट मैक्सिमम ऑफ ए बी, आंसर ऑफ मैक्सिमम ऑफ ए बी दैट इज इक्वल टू बी, सो विल गेट ए स्टार बी फॉर्म, एंड ए स्टार बी का मतलब क्या है, दैट इज मिनिमम ऑफ ए बी, एंड मिनिमम ऑफ ए बी का आंसर क्या है, दैट इज इक्वल टू ए। क्लियर, सेकंड पार्ट ए रिंग सम ए स्टार बी। सो पहले स्टार को रिमूव करो, सो इट इज मिनिमम ऑफ ए बी, आंसर ऑफ मिनिमम ऑफ ए बी दैट इज इक्वल टू ए, सो हियर वी गेट ए रिंग सम ए। A ring sum A means maximum of A comma A, and maximum of A comma A will be A again. Okay, so prove it. In the second part, we'll use the B less than or equal to A को. Okay, second case. So minimum of AB क्या होगा B, और maximum of AB क्या होगा A. So A star A ring sum B क्या होगा, that is A star maximum of AB. Answer of maximum of AB, that will be A again. Clear? So A star A means minimum of A comma A, that will be A. So prove it. A ring sum A star B, that is A star B is equal to minimum of AB. Now remove this ring sum. So it is minimum of maximum of AB का आंसर आप लिखो, minimum of AB का, that is a B here. So A ring sum B, and A ring sum B means maximum of AB, and maximum of AB is equal to the A again. ठीक है? So in this both case, absorption property is verified. ठीक है? So all the three properties verified here. So we can say that n minimum maximum is a lattice. Is it clear the solution? Is it clear all the property for this example? Is there any query, any doubt? Yeah, which topic you missed it? Parthiv? First two. So first two means it's very easy. Okay, in this first commutative property, ये पहले से डिफाइन हुआ है ना, that is we have defined that L star ring sum हमारा initial form है, that is our form in the definition L star ring sum, ठीक है। So when we consider any two element from the L, ठीक है, कोई भी दो एलिमेंट L में से लोगे तो उसका क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, ठीक है, that is defined here minimum in this how A star B is minimum of AB, is it given in the problem? Yeah, it is already given that. We just compare this n minimum maximum. Okay, we just compare n minimum maximum with L star ring sum. Okay, that we consider in the formula in this lattice as algebraic system L star ring sum form. Okay, now in L star ring sum form we have n minimum maximum. Okay, L is equal to n. It is a set of natural number. Star means minimum. So when we consider any two element from the set, A star B का मतलब क्या होगा? That is equal to minimum of AB. ठीक है? And what is meaning of ring sum? When we consider any two element from the L, A ring sum B का मतलब आप क्या करना define करना है? That is equal to maximum of AB. Okay? That is already given in this question. To check whether n minimum maximum is lattice or not. ठीक है, तो आपको पहले रिलेशन डिफाइन करना है ए स्टार बी और ए रिंग सम बी का मतलब क्या है। ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मिनिमम मैक्सिमम लिखा हुआ है, सो दैट इज मिनिमम ऑफ ए बी and maximum of AB. Okay, in the next example it will be different there. So as per that we'll define A star B and A ring sum B as per the example that. Clear? So then after we'll check a commutative property. So in commutative property we just check A star B, that should be same as a B star A. तो कोई भी दो एलिमेंट आप चूज करो तो A star B का मतलब है मिनिमम ऑफ ए बी, तो आप उसको इंटरचेंज कर दो, तो मिनिमम ऑफ ए बी इज सेम एज द मिनिमम ऑफ बी ए, ठीक है, दैट इज ऑब्वियस सिंपल रिजल्ट। मिनिमम ऑफ 1 2 इज सेम एज द मिनिमम ऑफ 2 1, दोनों का आंसर 1 ही आएगा, ठीक है। एंड ए रिंग सम बी मींस मैक्सिमम ऑफ ए बी, दैट इज सेम एज द मैक्सिमम ऑफ बी कोमा ए, ठीक है, एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू बी रिंग सम ए। So commutative property is verified for any two element of the set. ठीक है, A star B always B star है and A ring sum B always a B ring sum है, clear? And then after for associative case, in associative case आपको ये result prove करना है, ठीक है, कोई भी तीन element आपको choose करने हैं, ठीक है, and prove it A star B star C, that should be the A star bracket B star C. And next for ring sum case, so how we can simplify that, we just check it। तो पहले ब्रैकेट आपको सिंप्लीफाई करना है, तो ब्रैकेट में क्या है, ए स्टार बी, व्हाट डज इट मीन, दैट इज मिनिमम ऑफ ए बी स्टार सी। ना इस स्टार को रिमूव करो, तो स्टार का मतलब क्या है कि मिनिमम ऑफ दिस टू एलिमेंट, सो इट इज राइट मिनिमम ऑफ ए बी कोमा सी, ठीक है। अब कोई भी तीन एलिमेंट कंसिडर करो, इसमें से कोई भी तीन एलिमेंट एन में से ले लो, let us take 1 2 and 5, these three element I have as a b c, so minimum of 1 2 comma 5, ठीक है। so minimum of 1 2 क्या होगा, 1 comma 5, so what is minimum of 1 comma 5, that is equal to 1, we'll get one answer। now in the second part you just check a star b ring sum b star c, so first check the answer of b star c as a minimum of bc, and then after compare this answer with a as a minimum of a comma minimum of bc, ठीक है, एंड दैट विल बी सेम एज अ 1 देयर। सो दोनों साइड सेम आंसर आपको मिलेंगे, सो इट मींस a स्टार b स्टार c दैट इज इक्वल टू a स्टार b स्टार c, क्लियर। एंड हियर इट इज फॉर रिंग सम, दैट इज यूज द मैक्सिमम केस, क्लियर, a रिंग सम b मींस मैक्सिमम, इज इट क्लियर? And now it is okay, is it clear? Okay, good. So it is proved. Now here it is in the second example, GCD LCM case is that, okay? In the first example you have n minimum maximum, यहाँ पे GCD LCM case, what does it mean? A star B का मतलब क्या है, GCD of AB, and A ring sum का मतलब क्या है, it is LCM of AB, ठीक है। So S30 is there 1 2 3 5 6 10 50 30, to prove it is lattice as algebraic system or not, so first we'll check commutative property। तो A star B means GCD of AB, so GCD of 2 3, for example GCD of 2 3 let's take, is same as a GCD of 3 2 होगा for any two element, ठीक है, उसको इंटरचेंज कर दो तो GCD तो सेम ही रहेगा ना, ठीक है। सो इट इज सेम एज अ B स्टार है, and same for A ring sum B, that is LCM of AB and is equal to the LCM of B comma A, and that is a B ring sum, ठीक है। so commutative property is verified for any two element of S30। now associative, so in associative we just check A star B star C, so first remove the first bracket, that is GCD of AB star C, now remove this star, so it is GCD of AB comma C, clear। And you can verify by taking any counter example, let us take 2 3 and 5 as A B C, so GCD of AB comma C, what the answer will be there, the GCD of AB क्या होगा, that is a 1 with 5, so GCD of 1 with 5, that is also 1, ठीक है, that is one side answer। now check the second side answer, A star B star C, that is A star GCD of BC, तो पहले आपको चेक करना है GCD of BC, यहाँ पे 1 एज इट इज रखना है, 3 और 5 में GCD क्या होगा 1, so GCD of 1 comma 1 that will be the 1, ठीक है, that is answer of second side। so A comma GCD of BC that is same as GCD of ABC and therefore it is the proof, clear, दोनों साइड इक्वल होगी and therefore first part of the associative law is complete। now second में आपको यूज करना है LCM for the ring sum, so A ring sum B ring sum C, A ring sum B means LCM of AB ring sum C, now remove this ring sum by taking LCM again, so LCM of AB comma C, clear, and that is same as LCM of ABC। now second part, A ring sum B ring sum C, that is A ring sum LCM of B comma C, ठीक है, and that is LCM of A comma LCM of BC, and let us take one example 2 3 5, let us take again ABC, so 1 फर्स्ट पार्ट में आंसर क्या होगा, एलसीएम ऑफ ए बी, 2 और 3 का एलसीएम क्या होगा, दैट इज 6, 5. Now LCM of 6 and 5, that will be 30. Now in the second part answer, second side answer, that is A as it is, 2 as it is here, and LCM of BC, that is 3 and 5, it is a 15. So 2 और 15 का LCM क्या होगा, that is a 30. ठीक है, तो दोनों साइड में सेम आंसर मिलेगा आपको, कोई भी 3 वैल्यू लगा, ठीक है. So it's A ring sum B ring sum C, that is same as A ring sum B ring sum C. Clear? And now for abscissor's property, it is important here. It will involve the 4 various cases for a different parameter, okay, for different value. Why it is that? Because we have S30, which include the variety of the number, okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. So it will involve the 4 various cases, because for GCD LCM, the first case is there, A divides B. Okay, we'll consider such choice which follow this condition. A divides B means 2 divide 6. Okay, 2 divide 10, 3 divide 15, 5 divide 10. Such type of case. Okay, so A divide B means we can write B is equal to MA. Okay, for example, 6 divide 2 here, so it will be the 3 here. Okay, and 6 can be write as a 3 into 2. That is meaning B is equal to MA. Okay, so for B is equal to MA case, okay, for the first case, A star B क्या होगा, means GCD of A B क्या होगा, GCD of A comma B means आपके पास है B is equal to MA. So A comma MA का GCD क्या होता है, ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन डिवाइजर क्या है इसमें, A itself. ठीक है, so GCD of AB is equal to A. Now LCM of AB, so LCM of A comma MA, B is equal to MA we have. So LCM of A comma M into A का LCM क्या होता है, that is equal to MA itself, and that is equal to B. Clear? So A star A ring sum B, now absorption condition, A star A ring sum B, A ring sum B का आंसर क्या है हमारे पास, that is equal to B. Now A star B, so what is answer of A star B, that is equal to A, तो प्रूव हो गया. Now A ring sum A star B, second part, so answer of A star B, that is equal to A we have. So A ring sum A, LCM of A comma A, that is answer is A. ठीक है, so that is approved now in the case 1. ठीक है, now in case 2 we'll consider B divides A form. ठीक है, ऐसी वैल्यू आपको चूज करनी है जिसमें B A को डिवाइड करता हो. ठीक है, so that can be write A is equal to MB. ठीक है, A is equal to MB. So here we can use this conditions for GCD of MB comma B. What is answer? That is equal to B itself. Okay, so here it is a B, and LCM of MB comma B, that is equal to MB itself, and that is equal to A. ठीक है, so LCM A होगा और GCD B होगा. So A star A ring sum B, that is equal to A star A, and that is equal to A, and A ring sum A star B, A ring sum A star B, A star B का आंसर हमारे पास है B. So put it here, A ring sum B, A ring sum B means A itself, so is equal to A. ठीक है, so verify हो गया दोनों केस में absorption property. Clear? Now in case 3, which number are remaining? A divide B वाला केस खत्म हो गया, B divide A वाला केस खत्म हो गया. Now it involves some prime number also, जिसमें आप दोनों केस अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते हो. ठीक है, A divide B और B divide A. In the third conditions we'll use the prime number. A and B are the co-prime. ऐसी आप चॉइस चूज करो A और B की जिसमें दोनों प्राइम नंबर हो, 2 3 है, ठीक है, 2 5 है, दिस आर द प्राइम नंबर. सो A स्टार B GCD of AB, दो प्राइम नंबर का GCD क्या होता है, लेट्स टेक 2 and 3. सो 2 and 3 का GCD क्या होता है, दैट इज 1. ठीक है, और LCM क्या होता है, that is a product, it means it is 6, so it is A into B. Clear? So A star A ring sum B, A star B is equal to AB there, so A star AB means GCD of A comma AB. Clear? And GCD of A comma AB means is equal to A. Clear? So prove हो गया. A ring sum A star B, so also be A star B answer, that is equal to 1. So A ring sum 1, ठीक है, A और 1 का LCM is equal to A itself, so it is approved in the third case. ठीक है, so 3 cases complete now. In the fourth case we consider this pair. A and B has a common factor m other than 1. Okay? A and B has a common factor m other than 1. For example, if I consider this choice from the set, that is the 6 and 10. Okay, 6, 10 I have considered as a case of 4. 6 and 10. See, 6 divide 10, that is not a correct. 10 divide 6, it is also not correct. Okay, this is not valid. And here, these are not a prime number. Clear? And this is a part of S30. So if you consider this choice, you have to define the fourth case. A and B as a common factor. Which is the common factor now? 3 into 2 and 5 into 2. So 2 is the common factor to this both number other than 1. ठीक है, अगर 1 होता है तो that will be prime number also there. But it is not a prime number. So 3 into 2, 5 into 2. 2 is a common factor other than 1. So here A can be write as a 6 can be write as a m into x. Okay, here it is a 3 into 2. And B can be write as a m into y. Means 10 can be write as a 5 into 2. तो कॉमन फैक्टर क्या हुआ उसमें? m की जो वैल्यू है कॉमन हुई, 2 is the common here, और x and y are the different. Okay, so mx y are the positive integer where m not equal to 1. यहाँ पे क्या है? m is equal to 2 there. Clear? So what is the GCD of AB? A comma B. B is equal to my and A is equal to mx. तो आंसर क्या हुआ GCD का? m हुआ, कॉमन फैक्टर m हुआ उसमें. And ring sum, A ring sum B, that is LCM of AB. So mx comma my LCM, that is mxy. Here product of every value mxy. Now check the property. A star A ring sum B, that is equal to A star mxy. Okay, and A star mxy का मतलब क्या हुआ? That is GCD of A comma ay. Why it is ay? क्योंकि mx की वैल्यू क्या है हमारे पास? That is equal to A itself. Okay, so put it here ay. A comma ay का GCD क्या होगा? That is A itself. Okay, so it is the proof. And A ring sum A star B is equal to A ring sum M. Okay, A star B is equal to M. We have A ring sum M. LCM of A comma M. LCM of A comma M. A is equal to mx comma M. So LCM of mx comma M क्या होता है? That is mx and mx is equal to A. Clear? So it is equal to A. So in the fourth case, it is also proved. So in this all four cases, clear, association property is verified that, and therefore it is S30. That is not a minimum maximum here. That is S30 GCD LCM is the lattice. Is it clear? Okay, so first two properties very easy to define, but in the third property, as per the conditions, you have to define the various cases. Okay, as per the condition means GCD LCM है तो उसमें 4 cases आएंगे. अगर less than or equal to है तो it will be involve 2 cases. Okay, and then these are for homework and GCD LCM as per the S30 GCD LCM ऐसे आपको इसको प्रूव करना है. देन आफ्टर आर मिनिमम मैक्सिमम जो हमने फर्स्ट एग्जाम सोल्व किया है, एन मिनिमम मैक्सिमम जैसा ही है. ठीक है, दिस इज फॉर आल्सो होमवर्क. पी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन है ना, इसमें क्या होगा कि आपको चेक करना है ए स्टार बी का मतलब होगा यहाँ पे ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. ठीक है, और ए रिंग सम बी का मतलब होगा यहाँ पे ए यूनियन बी. क्लियर? इंटरसेक्शन एंड द यूनियन. क्लियर? जस्ट राइट. check the lattice is a poset or not. First commutative property आपको check करनी है, then after associative, and then after absorption condition. Clear? Just check it. It's very easy that. Okay, no any difficulty I think you will face. A star B means intersection and A ring sum B means union. ठीक है, स्टार को इंटरसेक्शन में रिप्लेस करना है और रिंग सम को यूनियंस. क्लियर? जस्ट प्रैक्टिस इट दिस एग्जांपल because this above two are already given similar example there. Okay, this n GCD LCM and R minimum maximum, but this is the different. Here it is intersection union is there, so just try it. P of A, पहले P of A आपको derive करना है, and then after check A star B as a intersection B and A ring sum B as a union B. Clear? Just practice it. Otherwise, we'll check in the next lecture. Okay. So in the next lecture, we'll check this topic sublattices and its various example, and then after. One of the part is there Boolean algebra also, so we'll check it. Okay, that is the lattice is algebraic system, and complementary lattice is distributive, and so on. Okay, so I think in next lecture we'll finish this unit. Okay, the last topic is there sublattice and distributive and complementary lattice. Okay, so it's very easy, that this theoretical part that we'll discuss in this last topic.